Welcome to Garden Dreams. At Garden Dreams, we believe that every garden can become a personal paradise. Ten easy DIY garden ideas to beautifully transform your outdoor space. Imagine stepping into your outdoor space and feeling instantly relaxed, inspired, and proud of what you see. The best part is, you don't need a huge budget or professional landscaping skills to create a beautiful garden. With a few creative DIY touches, even the simplest backyard, patio, or front yard can feel warm, inviting, and full of life. In today's video, we're sharing 10 easy DIY garden ideas that can beautifully transform your outdoor space without making things complicated. From cozy corners to stylish pathways, these ideas are simple, affordable, and surprisingly stunning. One of the easiest ways to upgrade a garden is by creating a small seating area with gravel. It instantly gives your outdoor space a clean and modern look while staying low maintenance. Add 2 simple chairs, a small table, and a few potted plants to create a peaceful corner for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The texture of gravel also makes the garden feel more polished and intentional without requiring expensive materials. Raised garden beds can make even a small backyard feel organized and elegant. Wooden planters or simple DIY boxes create clear planting zones while adding depth and dimension to the space. They're perfect for flowers, herbs, or vegetables and are much easier to maintain than traditional ground planting. A neat arrangement of raised beds instantly makes a garden look professionally designed. Lighting can completely change the atmosphere of an outdoor space at night. Simple solar lights placed along pathways, around flower beds, or beside seating areas create a warm and welcoming glow. They're affordable, easy to install, and don't require complicated wiring. Even a small garden can feel magical and cozy with the right lighting after sunset. A garden pathway adds both beauty and function to your outdoor area. Using stepping stones, gravel, or natural stone slabs, you can guide movement through the garden while making the space feel larger and more designed. Curved pathways especially create a soft and relaxing visual flow. This simple DIY project can instantly elevate the entire garden aesthetic. Large planters can become beautiful focal points in any garden. Choose a few oversized pots with layered greenery or colorful flowers to add texture and height. Placing them near entrances, patios, or corners helps fill empty spaces while creating a luxurious garden feel. Mixing different plant shapes also adds more visual interest and personality. If you have limited space, a vertical garden is a smart and stylish solution. Hanging planters, wooden pallets, or wall-mounted shelves can transform a plain wall into a lush green feature. It's perfect for herbs, trailing plants, or small decorative flowers. Vertical gardens not only save space but also make the entire outdoor area feel more vibrant and alive. Mulch may seem simple, but it can dramatically improve the appearance of a garden. Adding dark mulch around plants creates contrast, keeps the soil moist, and gives planting beds a fresh, finished look. It also reduces weeds and makes maintenance easier over time. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest visual difference. A small water feature can instantly make a garden feel peaceful and luxurious. You don't need a large fountain or pond to create the effect. Even a simple bowl fountain or small cascading water feature adds calming sound and movement to the space. The gentle sound of water creates a relaxing atmosphere that makes the garden feel like a private retreat. Bringing indoor comfort outside is an easy way to make your garden feel more inviting. Outdoor rugs, cushions, and soft neutral fabrics can turn a basic patio into a cozy outdoor living space. These simple additions create warmth, color, and comfort without requiring major renovations. It's one of the fastest ways to upgrade your backyard style. A beautiful garden often feels rich because of layered plants. Combine tall plants, medium shrubs, and low ground cover to create a fuller and more natural look. Layering greenery adds depth and texture while making the space feel lush and balanced. Even with a limited number of plants, thoughtful layering can create a stunning garden transformation. Creating a beautiful outdoor space doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. Sometimes, a few simple DIY ideas are all it takes to completely transform the atmosphere of your garden. Whether you start with lighting, pathways, plants, or cozy seating, every small improvement helps create a space that feels more relaxing and enjoyable. We hope these easy garden ideas inspire you to refresh your own outdoor space and turn it into a place you truly love spending time in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. See you in the next video.